Welcome back. We're continuing the news. In this week's health report, we look at prostate cancer. Here's Jamaica Pullen.
Prostate cancer is cancer of the prostate gland. According to the Ministry of Health, it is the most common type of cancer in Jamaica and is associated with most cancer deaths. The ministry says in 2020 there were some 1,561 new cases. Urologist Professor Ludlow Lawson Douglas says last year alone he diagnosed at least 10 persons each month for the condition. So far this year he has already gone well over 4. Professor Douglas says it's unfortunate that prostate cancer does not have early signs or symptoms. He explained they normally show in the advanced stages.
Urinary symptoms, hesitancy, you have to wait to pass the urine. When the urine is coming out, it comes out slowly. When you think you're finished, some more comes. You may see some blood in the urine. Later on, you may have pain in the back or pain going down the legs.
The cause for prostate cancer is unknown, but Professor Douglas says genetics seem to be a factor, which is why it is important for men 45 and over to get screened for the condition.
Go and have a PSA blood test and a finger up the rectum. Men in Jamaica hate the finger up the rectum.
Yes.
But that's the way. Yes, I know. That's the one way to find it. Put a finger up the rectum. See if you feel anything odd, funny, or something that shouldn't be there. Then, if you feel that, you send them on to see a urologist who will repeat the procedure of the finger, look at the PSA test, and decide whether or not they need to have further tests done.
Professor Douglas says a number of men are afraid to do the test because of how it's done. He's encouraging them to see a female urologist if they feel more comfortable.
If we screen you and find cancer of the prostate, and you're under 70, usually have an operation to remove the prostate. Or if you don't want the operation, definitely, we can treat you with external beam radiation therapy. We shine rays into you to eliminate the prostate, to kill the cancer.
Treatment depends on the stage of the cancer. With your health report, I'm Jamaica Pullen wishing you good health.